I'm now going to demonstrate the children display web part of WikiPakk. I'm on a new SharePoint site. The first thing I'm going to do is adding the WikiPakk app to the site. This will take a few seconds. Let's go back to site contents. Maybe refresh a couple of times. And when SharePoint is finished installing the app, you will see the page tree button here. When you click page tree, you can see the page tree. It's now only the home page. Clicking the home page here. What I'm going to do now is add two child pages. Clicking new page. Those are vanilla SharePoint pages. Going to name this one child page 1. Publish that right away. I'm using the breadcrumb to navigate back to the home page because each child page will automatically become a child of the page I'm currently on. This is the home page, so I'm creating a second child page. Going to name this one child page 2. Publishing that as well. Going back to the home page. Now looking at the page tree, you can see the home page got two child pages, and I now want to use the children display web part on this page to show the child pages. And adding a web part, and you see the children web display web part here. I'm clicking that, and this is showing the child pages. There's one configuration option. You can choose to reduce the visual gap before the web part. I'm toggling this off right now for demonstration purposes to show how that looks. So this is my page. So there's a visual gap here. This is okay, but sometimes you want to do the following. Maybe add a text web part in front of that saying child pages of the current page. And then you're already seeing the gap between the web part that SharePoint inserts is a little bit too wide. So see this gap here, and to reduce the gap, you can use this option of the children display web part. I'll click the web part, go to properties, reduce visual gap. I'll republish here, and then you see the gap is gone and it looks more visually appearing. And this was a quick demo of the WikiPakk children display web part.